Hey guys, my Morbid mistress Valentine's Day box came today. This is so cute. Also sorry for my puppy, she wants to come outside. And this is her card. Now this, it came with 6 different products, and each in a different Valentine's Day scent, and then a bunch of extra goodies. Ooh. Let's see. And if you ordered, she was giving away one Dead Sea Salt scrub to everyone. So this is mine, and it's jack-o'-lantern scents of pumpkin pie. Ooh. I keep getting it on my lips. That really does smell like, I really smell that pumpkin. It's like really creamy. It feels good. I can't wait to use that. Okay. This is Scarlett whipped sugar scrub, an irresistible blend of rum, vanilla, marshmallow, fire, apples, peach, and pomegranate. I love her labels. They're so cute. Ooh. It smells like something I've had before, but I can't think of what. It smells. It's like a perfume spray I've used. I love this. I might have to go buy more things in it. Oh, that feels good too. I can't wait to start using these. I'm like, I really love this scent. I probably should have waited on testing all of these out on my fingers. What's next? This is Love Bites Bubble Bath Shower Gel, an irresistible blend of starfruit, coconut water, lemon, creamy coconut, vanilla bean, sandalwood, sweet papaya, and tangelo. I definitely smell coconut. Oh, a bubble! I'm trying to figure out what else I smell. I mean, it smells really good. I can't wait to, I'm so excited to use all of these. This is her wax melts, and this one is black lace, an irresistible blend of black raspberries infused with vanilla lace. Ooh. I get that black raspberries. I'm not really sure what lace is supposed to smell like. I don't know if I've ever even had anything like that before, but the smell's really good. I really love her Valentine's lines so far. Got Foreplay body butter, an irresistible blend of fresh vanilla bean, warm Carmel, cupcake icing, whipped cream, and white musk. My hands are slippery. Ooh, I just got that first sniff of Carmel and cupcake icing. Ooh, this smells so good. I've needed lotion and body butter. My skin's been dry, and it feels really good. And my skin already feels so soft. Ooh. I smell like cupcakes. Last is body frosting. He loves me not. An irresistible blend of florally sweetness with hints of sun-kissed daisies, juicy red currant berries, driftwood, and white musk. Ooh. Usually, like, I don't get flowery scents and things because I'm like unsure if I like them, even though from Bath and Body Works the sweet peas is like one of my favorites. I do get the sweetness, and we just had daisies because my mom did a flower arrangement for her friend. This smells really good. I think I'm going to order more of these. And then for the goodies, I came with a loofah. Oh, look how cute these are! Little dickies. Oh, quack, 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 quack. I love those. Oh, duh, I forgot the last one. This is Morbid infatuation. This is her perfume oil. But I can't remember off the top of my head which scent this one was. So I'll put it down below because everything's like on my phone and I'm using that. Ooh. I wish I could remember what this was. It smells really good. I can't, like, it kind of also smells, I want to say, like another, like, flowery kind of scent. With like I don't know. I should have wrote it down. I'm gonna smell it. Ooh. Kind of smell like oranges. Okay. Now those were the 6 things. I got ring pop, cherry craze, and strawberry. Something might have spilt in here because this is soapy. I think it might have been the bubble bath. Chocolates. Bunch of little chocolates, conversational hearts, conversation hearts, I can't speak, strawberry cream and white fudge chocolate, and this cute cup that says love, love, love. It says love all around. I love these little cups so much. And strawberry and punch nerds. Thank you so much, Summer. I love everything and I'm so excited to be a part of your team. So if you guys want any of her stuff, I have the links always in my bio, and I'll post the website also down below. And then if you use code Morbid Pizza, you'll save some money. Don't miss out on all this stuff. It really smells like delicious. Like, I think I'm gonna go order more already. Okay, bye.